Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man with another great game time recipe over here. This is called Dirty Rotel Dip, and this is, oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Great for the Super Bowl, great for a tailgate, great for just watching TV. You're gonna absolutely love this recipe, and oh yeah, let's get started. We've got some great cheese here. It's called Velveeta Cheese. Any kind of great cheesy dip, which is what this one is. This is so good. Velveeta is awesome. We have the Rotel. You can use spicy if you like. I'm going just with the original. We're going with spicy sausage here. So there's the spice that we're gonna be using. We're gonna have some garlic. We're gonna have a little bit of onion in here. And we're using the original dirt because Todd's dirt is good on what?
Everything.
Everything. Let's get started. Okay, let's get this spicy sausage going in this pan. Let's get this thing nice and hot. We'll cook this thing down first, just about halfway, and then we'll add the onions. Onions and the garlic and the dirt. All right, now we're gonna add the garlic. And we're gonna do about a teaspoon and a half of garlic. We got 1/2 of white onions that I chopped down really well. Mix that in there. And then we are going to do about a teaspoon and a half of original dirt. There you go. Just gonna bring out the flavor of that pork. Oh my goodness, is it gonna bring out the flavor? Remember, what original dirt is really good for is meant to enhance the flavors of what it's on. So if you got it on pork or steak or chicken or any kind of vegetables or fish, it just brings out the flavor. It enhances it. All right, this is almost done. Now I'm gonna add the Rotel. That includes all the juices. We want that to go in there too. Mix that up really well. All right, so an easy way of handling the Velveeta cheese is to cut this like so and put them in little cubes, just like that, and then put them right here in a bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in a microwave and we'll get this whole process started. So we got the Velveeta, the 16 ounces. I've already mixed some of that in here into the microwave just to get it started, get it softened a little bit, just to get it started. Really helps out a lot. If not, and you just add the cubes, it just takes forever. I think you can actually overcook it some. We'll just cook this down. Now you can see it's really coming together now. That is gorgeous. That is perfectly, this is what you're looking for. This consistency. Oh, this is good. This is gonna be really good. All right, now I'm gonna pour this into a bowl. Oh my gosh, the smells are incredible. How's it smell, Josh?
It smells great.
Great commentary there, Josh. Look at that. All right. Okay, now we get to try this. This looks beautiful. I threw a little bit of green onion on there just to make it look good. Plus it'll be good. And I'm telling you, this is fantastic. I mean, this is a wow. People go, wow. Oh. Dark Minnows. Dancing on this one. Oh, this is so good. The sausage, the Rotel, the dirt, the cheese is so good. It's a fabulous dip. People are gonna love it. Try it. try it for the Super Bowl this year. Anytime that you want to dip, it's fantastic for a recipe. And remember, subscribe, like, do all those things. Check us out on Todd's Dirt. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.